everyone, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Benedicta, and today we're going to be learning on how to make a turban. So guys, if you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell so whenever we upload a video you'll get to see. So guys, let's get to today we're going to be making a turban. And to make our turban, all we need is a thread, needle, scissors, and tape measures, okay, and measurement, head circumference. So for this tutorial, I'm making a turban for an 8-month-old baby. So her head circumference is 17. Her head circumference is 17. So guys, we go. So we'll get a fabric, any fabric of your choice, but I would advise you get stretchy fabric so that even when you cut on it, it won't be too tight for the child or for yourself. If you're making for yourself, it won't be too tight and you'll be comfortable in it. So here I have my material. I'm actually using a velvet, a stretchy, medium stretchy material for mine, and we're going to fold into two. We're going to divide 17 by 2. That is the head circumference divided by 2, which is 8.5. On unfold, I'm going to get my 8.5. This is 8.5. So since you're making use of a stretchy material, you necessarily don't need to add sewing allowance. So here I'm going to measure my 8.5. Okay, so this is my 8.5 straight, and I'm going to go, this is the circumference. So for the length, I'm going to take 12 from here because I'm folding in from here. So take 12 because I'm going to fold this in. I'm folding it in, so I'm taking 12. Like I said, I'm making for an 8-month-old baby. I'm taking 12.5 sewing allowance, and I'm taking it all the way 12.5. roll it out, and roll it out. So afterwards, I'm going to cut this out. So I'm cutting out. So this is it. This is what we have. This is what we have. So from here, from the very edge here, or 3.3 inches, I'm going to measure 3 inches downward, then curve it in. From the edge here, curve it in, freehand, curve it in to blend on this. Curve it, and I'm going to cut that out. Also cut it out. Wow. So now guys, I'm going to go over to my sewing machine, and this is what we have. I'm going to fold this in like this and another. Okay, I'm going to fold it in to conceal this rough edge. I'm going to go to my sewing machine. So you can also hand stitch. You can use your hand to stitch it, your needle and thread to stitch it out. So I'm going to use my sewing machine to go straight here. You can use a zigzag stitch, you can use a straight stitch to conceal this, and afterwards I'm going to come back to. So guys, I've done that. As you can see, it's making sense already. Okay, you can make this fold larger than this, but I want this size. That's why I make it to this length. So next we're going to open it up, and we're going to hand stitch round it. Okay, we're going to be using our needle and thread to go around it, to hand stitch round it. So start from here, round it, round and round, round and round. Okay, because we're going to be pulling it together to form gathers. We're going to be pulling it together to form gathers. So we're going to be going round it like so. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm going round it like so. You stitch to the other end of your fabric. Stitch to the other end of your fabric and pull together. Oh wow, I have a knotted thread here. I'm going to sort that first. So I'm going to pull this because my thread is knotted there. I'm just going to pull everything together. Pull, 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 pull until you achieve a gathers. Okay, you pull, pull, pull until there is nothing to pull anymore. Pull and turn this way. Pull it very well. Pull very well. As you can see, our turban is coming out quite well. Okay, so I have this here. I'm going to tie it first so I won't lose my gathers. I'm going to tie it first in order not to lose my gathers. So it looks nice and firm. Nice and firm that way. Then you can easily work with it. So I'll double tie it 2 times. So I've secured the end. So next thing I'm going to do is to hand stitch this particular place together. Make sure they are together so there won't be any space here, because if you turn it to the right side you have this which is not meant to be there. Okay, so we're going to turn to the wrong side of the fabric, hold it together just like you want to cut your onion actually. Then pick up your needle and start to stitch together. Stitch it until I achieve what I want. So now I'm going to use the other end to tie them, to secure them together so they won't come off or be loose. It's very necessary to secure secure the ends, and voila, we are done with the main turban. We're done with the main turban. Look at what you have. You can rock it like this. Rock it this way. Our turban is almost ready. Okay guys, it's almost ready. So next is our bow. To make our bow, and we'll place it right here to make it clean and fine. Okay, just to add some beauty to the turban. So we're going to grab our remaining fabric. This is our remaining fabric. So we're going to cut. This is it, 6 by 6. This is 6 inches. We're going to mark 6 inches. 6 inches. Take it down. Then from there, I'll mark 6 inches. From here, I'll also mark 6 inches. To be sure it's 6 inches, you have to measure. This is my 6 inches. So I'm going to be cutting out this in order to make a bow, a beautiful bow for a beautiful turban. Okay, so here I'm cutting out. So here it is, not too big. So when you have it, you have something like this. So I'm going to go over to my sewing machine. I'm going to sew round it and make a space to turn it out. So I'm going to make a space to turn it out. You can also hand stitch. You can also hand stitch from here to here. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can also hand stitch from here down and to this place. Just create a little hole for you to turn out the fabric inside out. Okay, now I'm going to go to my sewing machine. You can also hand stitch from here down and to this place. Just create a little hole for you to turn out the fabric inside out. Okay, now I'm going to go to guys, where we are. Here we are. So I made, just use 0.25 inches to sew round it, and I created this space to turn out my turban, my bow actually. So I'm turning it out. That actually gave way. So here guys, I have this. I use my scissors to poke it to make it nice and firm. So I'm going to hand stitch this part to close it up, and stitch it to close it up. Then we'll move over to the next. So I'm going to hand stitch. I'm going to run a stitch at the middle. So tie up the end of your thread. Then run a stitch. at the middle, bring it out, make it double, then tie it, round it, use the thread to tie it round it. So hold it firmly and tie it round it to secure it so it won't give way. I'm going to cut this off since I'm not making use of it anymore. So I'm going to secure it by tying it. Tie it, and voila, our bow is ready. Adjust, adjust, adjust until you have get a desired. So here, imagine this. Isn't this cute? So having it here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out the fabric to wrap up this, or you can use your bias strip to wrap up this, so this thread will not be open. So I'm going to cut out little fabric, just a little, just a little, 0.5 inch, just to go round our turban, just to go round. Watch. So you have, place it here to the back, pull it round it, secure it, and then get your needle and thread. Get your needle and thread and stitch it to your turban. Stitch it to the turban. So guys, I finished attaching our bow to it, and it's looking so beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? Huh? So you can give it a try. Try out yours. You never can tell. Yours might be more beautiful than mine. Read it. It's so beautiful. You can make this with any material, okay? Material, especially stretching materials, any color, and there are other styles too to this beautiful turban, okay? And like I said, this for an 8-month-old baby, so I'm very sure she's going to like this. So to match with her dress, guys, this is very nice. So try it yours, and when you upload, please tag me so I can see and comment. And don't forget guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get more of our beautiful videos, and don't forget to like and comment on this video.